Hello everyone, I am your maths teacher Lakhan sir from Science Academy, Daun. So student, in today's lecture, we are going to start our next point, that is theorem of areas of similar triangles. So what theorem of areas of similar triangles state? When two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of those triangle is equals to the ratio of their squares of corresponding sides. That means, for example, suppose triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. थेरमचं स्टेटमेंट काय दिलं आपल्याला? If when two triangles are similar, म्हणजेच when we are using theorem of areas of similar triangle, if two triangles are similar, हे स्टेटमेंट ज्यावेळेस गिवन असेल, then we are using the theorem of areas of similar triangle. So when two triangles are similar, then ratio of areas of triangle, so we get areas of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR is equals to the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. We already know if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same proportion, but here we have to take square of their corresponding sides, ratio of square of corresponding side. That means we get AB square upon PQ square is equals to BC square upon QR square is equals to AC square upon PR square. हे आपल्याला इथे प्रूव्ह करायचं. This is the statement of theorem of areas of similar triangle. I again read, when two triangles are similar, ratio of areas of those triangle is equals to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Okay. For that, consider two figure, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So in triangle ABC, segment AD is perpendicular to the BC, and for triangle PQR, segment PS is perpendicular to the QR. Here given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, because statement starts from when two triangles are similar. So here consider triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. And what we have to prove, that ratios of areas of those two triangles, that is area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR, is equals to ratio of square of their corresponding side. Okay, so let's start. First, take the ratio of areas of triangle. For that, we know that how to find area of triangle. Area of triangle is nothing but half into base into height. So take the ratio of areas of triangle. So area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR. So how to find area of triangle ABC is nothing but half into base into height. So for triangle ABC, base is BC and height is AD, because AD is perpendicular to the BC. So AD is the height and BC is the base. So base into height, BC into AD, divided by, for triangle PQR, PS is perpendicular to the QR. So PS is the perpendicular line, that means height. QR is the base. So QR into PS. So here one half get cancelled. So finally we get BC into AD upon QR into PS. It is written as BC upon QR multiplied by AD upon, yes, this is equation number first. Now consider triangle ABD and triangle PQS. Consider these two triangles. So in triangle ABD and triangle PQS. Now prove that these two triangles are similar, and if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same proportions. For that, for triangle ABD and for triangle PQS, angle B is congruent to the angle Q. Why? Because it is already said that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are congruent. So measure of angle B is congruent to measure of angle Q. That is given. Now second statement, angle ADB congruent to angle PSQ because each of measure 90 degree. Angle ADB congruent to angle PSQ each of 90. So to prove two triangles are similar, minimum two conditions of angles are sufficient. So here two conditions of angles are there. So both the triangles are similar by using angle test of similarity. Okay. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same proportion. So take the ratio of their corresponding sides. So we get AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PS. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Full form madela corresponding sides of similar triangles. Also given that, name it as equation number second. But triangle ABC is also similar to triangle PQR. This is given to us. So if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same proportion. So take their ratio of corresponding sides. So we get AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. This is equation number third. So from equation first, second and third, we get, check out, from equation 1, area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR is nothing but BC upon QR into AD upon PS. But we want square of ratio of their corresponding sides. So here BC upon QR is nothing but AB upon PQ. From equation second, AD upon PS is nothing but AB upon PQ. That means AB upon PQ into AB upon PQ is nothing but AB square upon PQ square. So from equation first, second and third, we get area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR is equals to, check out, from equation we get ratio of area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR is BC upon QR into AD upon PS, but we want square of ratio of corresponding sides. For that, from equation second we get AD upon PS is nothing but AB upon PQ because both the ratios are equal. So instead of AD upon PS, we write AB upon PQ, and from equation third, for BC upon QR, we get AB upon PQ. Here also both the ratios are equal. So we get AB upon PQ into AB upon PQ. That means AB upon PQ multiplied by AB upon PQ. So here AB into AB square upon PQ into PQ square. So we get AB square upon PQ square. Similarly, we get BC square upon QR square, AC square upon PR square from equation first, second and third. So we write BC square upon QR square is equals to AC square upon PR square from first, second and third. Hence proved. This is what theorem of areas of similar triangles. So I again repeat, what is theorem of areas of similar triangles, and when we are applying the theorem of areas of similar triangles, first of all, to use areas of similar triangle, first two triangles are similar, the condition sufficient. Without two triangles are similar, we cannot apply the theorem of areas of similar triangle. That means to apply theorem of areas of similar triangle, most important thing is that two triangles are similar. Okay, when two triangles are similar, then we have to take the ratios of areas of triangle. So the ratios of areas of those triangle is equals to the ratio of the square of their corresponding side. Then we get the ratio of square of their corresponding side. That means area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR is equals to AB square upon PQ square is equals to BC square upon QR square is equals to AC square upon PR square. म्हणजेच दोन ट्रायंगल सिमिलर असतील तिथे दोन्ही ट्रायंगलचा एरियाचा रेशो हा कसा असतो, रेशो ऑफ स्क्वेअर ऑफ देअर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड, म्हणजे त्या साइडचा काय मिळतो आपल्याला, स्क्वेअर ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड. दिस इज व्हॉट theorem of areas of similar triangles. Now we take some examples which are based on theorem of areas of similar triangle. That means how to use or what are the applications of theorem of areas of similar triangles. Now solve example. First is triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, where area of triangle ABC is 16, area of triangle PQR is 25. Then find the value of the ratio AB upon PQ. Okay, so here given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, means we have to apply the theorem of areas of similar triangle. Why? Because the given condition is two triangles are similar, and if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of two triangles is equals to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. म्हणजे इथे आपल्याला corresponding sides चा काय घ्यायचा आहे, रेशो घ्यायचा आहे, स्क्वेअर ऑफ स्क्वेअर करायचं आहे. व्हाय? बिकॉज टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर, हे आपल्याला ऑलरेडी दिलेले आहे. ओके, सो हियर solution, given that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, he given condition is, that's why here we are applying the theorem of areas of similar triangles. So by using theorem of areas of similar triangle, take the ratio of area of triangle. So we get area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR. So what is equals to ratio of, ratio घ्यायचा बट कोणाचा, स्क्वेअर ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स. करस्पॉन्डिंग साइडचा काय घ्यायचा आपल्याला, स्क्वेअरचा रेशो घ्यायचा, दॅट इज AB square upon PQ square. Write anyone, AB square upon PQ square or BC square upon QR square or AC square upon PR square, because all the three ratios are equal. So take anyone. So by reason, by theorem of areas of similar triangle, without reason marks मिळणार नाही. So reason is very much important. So here given that area of triangle ABC is 16, area of triangle PQR is 25, and we have to find the ratio of AB upon PQ. But here AB square upon PQ square. So to find the value of AB upon PQ, we have to make, or we have to take the square root. So taking square root, so we get, so square root of 16 is nothing but 4, and square root of 25 is 5. So we get AB upon PQ is nothing but 4 upon 5. This is the value of ratio of AB upon PQ, that is 4 by 5. Now question number second is ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangle is 2:5. Here we are given that the ratio of corresponding sides, म्हणजे इथे आपल्याला corresponding साइडचा रेशो दिलाय, बट corresponding साइडचा रेशो दिलाय पण कोणाचा दिलाय, ऑफ टू सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स. म्हणजेच गिवन कंडिशन काय, टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. ओके, इफ द एरिया ऑफ द स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल इज 64 स्क्वेअर सेंटीमीटर, जे दोन ट्रायंगल सिमिलर आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये एक स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल आणि एक ग्रेटर ट्रायंगल आहे. सो आउट ऑफ दॅट area of smaller triangle is given, that is 64 square centimeter. Then what is the area of the bigger triangle? तर आपल्या इथे area of bigger triangle फाइंड करायचं. ओके, इथे लक्षात घ्या तुम्हाला इथे ट्रायंगलचे नेम मेन्शन केलेले नाहीत. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हॅव टू अज्युम दॅट टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. सो अज्युम दॅट triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, we're assuming that two triangles are similar, that is triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, but out of triangle ABC and PQR, which one is smaller and which one is greater, हे सुद्धा तुम्हाला consider करावं लागेल. So consider triangle ABC is smaller triangle and triangle PQR is bigger triangle. Okay, now we know that the ratio of corresponding sides as well as area of smaller triangles. So take the ratio of areas of two triangles. Why we are taking the ratios of areas of triangle? इथे तुम्ही दोन्ही triangleचा ratio का घेताय? Because the given condition is triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. That means two triangles are similar आणि दोन triangle similar असतील तर ते दोन्ही triangleचा ratio एरियाचा ratio हा काय असतो? Square of their corresponding sides. So area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR आणि इथे तुम्हाला करस्पॉन्डिंग साइडचा रेशो पण दिलाय, राइट. सो कन्सिडर AB स्क्वेअर अपॉन PQ स्क्वेअर. रिझन बाय theorem of areas of similar triangle. Okay, so here triangle ABC is smaller triangle, so the area of smaller triangle is given, that is 64. Now we have to find the area of bigger triangle, that means area of triangle PQR we have to find out is equals to ratio of corresponding side is given, that is 2:5. So AB is the smaller side and PQ is the greater side. So we get 2 by 5, 2 square upon 5 square. Okay, square of corresponding sides. So we get 64 upon area of triangle PQR. So 2 square 4, 5 square 25. Now perform cross multiplication. Therefore, we get area of triangle PQR is equals to, after performing cross multiplication, we get 64 into 25 divided by 4. So we get area of triangle PQR is equals to 4 1 za 4, 4 8 za 20, sorry, 4 6 are. So we get 16 into 25. So after multiplying by 16 into 25, so we get 16 5 are 80, carry 8, 16 2s are 32 plus 8 40. So we get area of bigger triangle is 400 square centimeters. So write down area of bigger triangle is 400 square centimeter. Solve example number 3 is, in trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel to the side CD, diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at point P, then prove that area of triangle ABP to area of triangle CPD is equals to AB square upon CD square. So the figure is trapezium is nothing but whose only one pair of opposite side is parallel. So here in trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel to the side CD, and both the diagonal, that is diagonal AC and diagonal BD, intersect each other at point P, and given that angle A is congruent angle C. Okay, so here we have to prove that ratios of area of two triangle, that is area of triangle ABP to area of triangle CPD. Okay, we have to take the ratio of areas of two triangles, but this ratio is nothing but the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. And when we get the ratio of squares of corresponding side, if two triangles are similar. So here in question there is nothing given that triangle ABP is similar to triangle CPD. म्हणजे क्वेश्चन मध्ये तुम्हाला असं कुठेही गिवन दिलेलं नाही की ट्रायंगल ABP हा ट्रायंगल CPD बरं similar आहे. And if two triangles are similar, then we are taking the ratios of square of their corresponding side. That means first of all we have to prove that triangle ABP is similar to triangle CPD. Without proving that, we cannot prove the given statement. So first of all prove that. So सुरुवातीला आपण triangle ABP हा triangle CPD वर similar हे prove करा. Then we are taking the ratios of areas of two triangles. So इन ट्रायंगल कोणते दोन ट्रायंगल सिमिलर प्रूव्ह करायचे? ट्रायंगल एबीपी आणि ट्रायंगल सीपीडी. सो इन ट्रायंगल एबीपी and triangle CPD. Okay. So in triangle ABP and in triangle CPD, angle PAB is congruent to angle PCD. It is already given. That is, they are alternate angles. Angle PAB is congruent to angle PCD. Alternate angles. Why they are alternate angles? Because ABCD is a trapezium whose two sides are parallel. That is, AB is parallel to the CD, and for that AC is the transversal. So we get angle PAB is congruent to angle PCD. They are the alternate angles, as well as angle BPA is congruent to angle DPC. Here both are opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. So angle APB congruent to angle CPD. They are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are congruent. So here both the triangles, triangle ABP similar to triangle CPD, are similar by using angle test of similarity. And now if two triangles are similar, they were taking the ratios of areas of two triangles. So here both the triangles are similar. Now take ratios of area of triangles. So area of triangle ABP to area of triangle CPD. So we get AB square upon CD square by theorem of areas of similar triangle. Because if two triangles are similar, then ratios of areas of two triangles are ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So corresponding sides are, so in triangle ABP and in triangle CDP. So here instead of CPD, write CDP. CDP. Okay. So these are the applications or how to apply the theorem of areas of similar triangles. So there based some solve examples are taken. Now we are starting the last practice set of our chapter, that is 1.4. Practice set 1.4 question number first is the ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3:5. So then find the ratio of their areas. So already I have question number solve केलेला आहे. The given statement is the ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle. म्हणजेच दोन ट्रायंगल सिमिलर आहेत आणि ते दोन्ही ट्रायंगल, जे दोन ट्रायंगल सिमिलर आहेत त्यांचा करस्पॉन्डिंग साइडचा आपल्याला रेशो दिला, and we have to find the ratio of their areas. That means two triangles are similar, he condition given आहे. For that assume any two triangles, because we have to find their areas. So assume that triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, and also given that ratio of corresponding sides. So now apply the theorem of areas of similar triangles, because we have to find the ratio of their areas. So take the ratio of area of triangle ABC to area of triangle DEF is equals to AB square upon DE square. Take any one ratio of square of their corresponding side, because AB square upon DE square is equals to BC square upon EF square is equals to AC square upon DF square. That means all the three ratios are equal. So take any one, but write reason by theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay. Also given that ratio of their corresponding sides. But ratio of corresponding sides is 3:5. So we get area of triangle ABC to area of triangle DEF. So here AB is nothing but 3 and DE is nothing but 5. That is 3 square upon 5 square. That is we get 9/25. So finally we get the ratio of areas of triangle is nothing but 9/25. So area of triangle ABC to area of triangle DEF is equals to 9/25. This is the area of ratios of areas of triangles. Okay. Now question number second and third from practice set is for homework purpose. Both the examples are activity based and both are easy. So solve it for homework. Now I directly start question number 4. So the question number 4 is triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. So given condition is both the triangles are similar. So here we are applying the theorem of areas of similar triangles because the given condition is two triangles are similar. Also given that 9 times the area of triangle PQR is equals to 16 times the area of triangle LMN. That means from the given statement we get ratios of areas of two triangle, and also given that length of QR is 20, then find the length of MN. Okay, so first of all, given that 9 times area of triangle PQR is equals to 16 times area of triangle LMN. From the given statement, we get ratio of area of triangle. So find the ratio of area of triangle PQR to area of triangle LMN. How? Okay, so area of triangle as it is, area of triangle PQR as it is, this area of triangle element is multiplied with 16. So goes here to divide. So finally you get ratios of areas of triangle is nothing but 16 upon 9, because we are taking the ratio of area of triangle PQR to element. PQR हा element इकडे मल्टिप्लाय मध्ये इकडे आल्यानंतर डिवाइड झाला. ह्या दोघांचा रेशो फाइंड आउट करायचा. सो 9 इथे मल्टिप्लाय मध्ये तिकडे गेल्यानंतर 16 मध्ये. सो वी गेट ratios of areas of triangle is nothing but 16 upon 9. Okay, but triangle PQR similar to triangle LMN हे सुद्धा काय आपल्याला given, and if two triangles are similar then take ratios of areas of triangle. That means we have to apply the theorem of areas of similar triangles. So area of triangle PQR to area of triangle LMN is nothing but PQ square. Okay, instead of PQ square, we are writing all the three ratios. PQ square upon LM square is equals to QR square upon MN square is equals to PR square upon LN square. But we want only the ratio QR upon MN because we are given the length of QR and find the length of MN. So all the three ratios are equal. So instead of, we write only QR square upon MN square. जे रिक्वायर आहे तेवढंच कन्सिडर करायचं. QR आपल्याला दिलाय, MN फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. That's why we are considering ratios of square of QR square upon MN square. So by theorem of areas of similar triangle. Okay. We already know the ratios of areas of triangle is nothing but 16 upon 9. So area of triangle PQR to area of triangle LMN is nothing but 16 upon 9. Length of QR is 20. So 20 square divided by MN square, because we have to find the length of M. Okay. So here we have to find the length of MN. So take square root on both sides, taking square root. कारण आपल्याला mn find out करायचं आहे. So mn square आहे. So take square root. So after taking square root, we get 16 upon 9. 16 is the square root of 4. 9 is the square root of 3. 20 square is equals to 20 upon mn. So perform cross multiplication. So we get mn is equals to 20 into 3 divided by 4. So we get 4 5s are 20, 5 3s are 15. That is mn is equals to 15. So the length of mn is 15 unit. This is question number 4. Number 5 is areas of two similar triangles are 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. If a side of the smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find the corresponding side of a bigger triangle. So, okay, so here we are given area of two similar triangle is given 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter, and both the triangles are similar, and also given that the side of a smaller triangle is 12 centimeter and we have to find the corresponding side of a bigger triangle. That means in the equation given is two triangles are similar, out of that one is smaller and another one is bigger. For that consider two triangles, that is they are similar and which one is smaller and which one is greater. म्हणजे सुरुवातीला consider करा दोन triangles similar आहेत. So assume that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Out of that, one is smaller and another one is bigger. So consider triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC is smaller and triangle PQR is bigger triangle. Okay. Now given that areas of both the similar triangles, so take the ratio of areas of triangles. So area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR, where triangle ABC is the smaller triangle and triangle PQR is the greater triangle or bigger triangle. So here area of the bigger triangle is 225 square centimeter, area of the smaller triangle is 81 square centimeter. So take their ratio, that is AB square upon PQ square by theorem of similar areas of similar triangle. Areas of similar triangle. Okay. Given that area of smaller triangle is 81, area of bigger triangle is 225. Also given that the side of the smaller triangle, so here triangle ABC is the smaller triangle, so their corresponding side is AB. So the length of AB is 12. We have to find the corresponding side of a bigger triangle. Okay. So we have to find the length of PQ. For that, take square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides. So we get square root of 81 is 9, square root of 225 is nothing but 15, square root of 12 square is 12 and PQ square is PQ. So now perform cross multiplication. So we get PQ is equals to 12 multiplied by 15 divided by 9. So finally we get 3 3s are 3, 4s are 3, 5s are 5 4s are 20. So the corresponding side of the bigger triangle is 20 unit. So side of a bigger triangle is 20 unit. Second last question of practice set 1.4 is triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. Also given that if area of triangle ABC to area of triangle DEF is nothing but 1:2, that means we are given the ratios of areas of two triangles, that is 1:2, and length of AB is 4, then find the length of D. Okay, so here given that triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. So here two equilateral triangles are similar. That means equilateral triangles are similar. So we get triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. We get ratios of areas of triangle ABC to area of triangle DEF. It means आपल्याला त्यांनी areas of triangle दिला, area of triangle ABC to area of triangle DEF हे given. If two triangles are similar, then by using theorem of areas of two similar triangles, we get ratio of their corresponding side, that is AB square upon DE square by theorem of areas of similar triangles. So area of triangle ABC to area of triangle DEF is nothing but 1:2, but area of triangle ABC to area of triangle DEF is equals to 1:2. So here we get 1/2 is equals to length of AB is also given, that is 4. So 4 square divided by DE square. So we get 1/2 is equals to 16 upon DE square. So finally we get DE square is equals to 32. So the length of DE, so taking square root on both sides, so square root of 32 is nothing but 4 under root 2 or under root 32 simply. So length of D is nothing but 4 under root 2 or under root 32. Last question, which is activity based question, is in figure segment PQ is parallel to the segment DE. Also given that area of triangle PQF is 20 units. Also given that PF is equals to twice of DP. Length of segment PF is twice of DP. Then find area of quadrilateral DPQE. आपल्याला ह्या क्वाड्रिलेटरलचा काय करायचं आहे, एरिया फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे, and area of triangle PQF is given, which is 20 units. Also given that length of segment PF is twice of segment TP. By completing the following activity. Okay, so for that let's start with given area of triangle PQF is 20 units, length of PF is twice of DP. That means length of PF ची length ही कुणावरती depend आहे, DP वरती. So consider the length of DP is x. If length of DP is x, that means length of PF is twice of x, because length of PF is twice of length of DP. So I consider length of DP as x, so length of PF is 2x. So here let us assume that length of DP is x, then length of PF is 2x. Then we get length of DF. मग आपल्याला पूर्ण सेगमेंटची लेंथ मिळेल DF. So length of DF is nothing but DF कोणापासून तयार होतो, सेगमेंट DP plus PF. So DP plus PF. So the length of DP is x and length of PF is 2x. So x plus 2x, 3x. So we get length of DF is 3x. Now consider two triangles, that is triangle FDE and triangle FPQ. First of all, prove that both the triangles are similar, that is triangle FDE and triangle FPQ. Okay, so here segment PQ is parallel to the D. That's why for both the lines, segment DF and segment EF are the transversal. So first of all, for line PQ is parallel to the D, DF is transversal, then these two angles are corresponding angle. That means angle FDE, angle FDE is congruent to the angle FPQ because they are the corresponding angles. Angle FPQ. Also, for line PQ is parallel to the line D. EF is the transversal. So here also these two angles are also congruent because they are also corresponding angles. So angle FED congruent to the angle FQP. They are also corresponding angles. So both the triangles are similar by using angle test of similarity. So triangle FDE similar to triangle FPQ by angle test of similarity. Once two triangles are similar, then we are applying the theorem of areas of similar triangles. So by using ratios of areas of similar triangle, we get ratios of areas of two triangle is equals to ratio of their square of corresponding sides. So the corresponding sides, that is FD square upon PF square. So we know that length of DF is 3x and length of FP is 2x. So 3x square upon 2x square, so we get 9 by 4. So from this point or this equation, we get area of triangle FDE because this area of triangle FPQ is at divide position, goes to the opposite side. So it is multiplied with 9 by 4. So we get area of triangle FDE is equals to 9 by 4 into area of triangle FPQ. So given that area of triangle PQF or FPQ is nothing but 20 units. So 9 by 4 into area of triangle FPQ is 20. So 4 5 are 9 5 are 45. So we get area of triangle FDE is 45 units and area of triangle FPQ is 20 units. Now we have to find the area of triangle DPQE. Okay. So here we get area of triangle FDE. Also, we know the area of triangle FPQ. So after subtracting the area of triangle FPQ from triangle FDE, we get area of quadrilateral DPQE. So area of quadrilateral DPQE is equals to area of triangle FDE. FDE is the larger triangle and FPQ is the smaller triangle. So after subtracting area of smaller triangle from the larger triangle, then we get the area of remaining quadrilateral, that is DPQE. So here area of larger triangle, that is area of triangle FDE, is nothing but 45 units, and area of smaller triangle, that is area of triangle FPQ, is nothing but 20 units. So finally we get area of quadrilateral DPQE is 25 square units. So here we are completing practice set 1.4, which is based on theorem of areas of similar triangles. So सांगितल्याप्रमाणे सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा मुद्दा असा, ही सुद्धा एक्सरसाइज तुम्हाला होमवर्क साठी असेल. सो ऑल द क्वेश्चन्स फ्रॉम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू लास्ट क्वेश्चन, सगळे क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला सॉल्व्ह करायचे आणि आपल्या व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपवरती तुम्हाला सबमिट करायचे. And last one more thing is stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.